So this tapestry in our hotel, instead of having like Catholic figures, they have like historical figures, I guess you can say. There's Einstein, Rosa Parks, Dr. Martin Luther King, and then if you notice on that top right there, that's Mr. Feeney. At least it looks like Mr. Feeney. Just got to the Notre Dame. I think we might be going online to tour it. The line is super long. That is the line. So we'll see if we're gonna tour it or not. Well, thanks to Grandma for being old, because we just cut the line. We are in the Notre Dame. We didn't have to wait a line because Mom has a bad foot and Grandma's old. So we got to go on the handicap line and cut everybody. So now we're inside. There's a mask going on too. It's €2. I'm taking a picture, good. So when you come to Paris, you obviously need a beret or a floppy hat. Almost forgot to document this. I got a crepe in Paris. Is it bad that the crepe that I got in Ireland was better than the one I got in Paris? I think it's bad. Hotel Duville. Apparently it has something to do with Alvin and the Chipmunks. Not quite sure what. So guys, Mom was wrong again. And this is a library, very beautiful library. Library. And there's a basketball court and a beach volleyball court in front of it. And look at that, in big giant letters. That is the Hotel de Ville. That is the real one, right in between the library and those shops over there. We might have made another mistake. Mom thought it was the hotel. Then she thought it was a library, and now maybe it's a hotel again. We're gonna have to double check, but if it is, here it is. If it isn't, here it is. These all look like boots that Harry Styles would wear, especially these right here. What are those? Why are we not going to Disneyland Euro? There's Olaf's, Anna's, and Elsa's all over this damn city. Do you want to build a snowman? So we're at the Louvre, and right in front of me is that glass pyramid that is so famous. And all I keep thinking about is that Tom Cruise movie where he keeps reliving the same day over and over again in like an army war in the future, and he defeats that big creepy thing down in that pyramid. That's what it reminds me of. Trying to get a picture with Riley touching the...
Jeez, Riley, you're horrible.
Hold on. Put your hand up. Right there. Oh, got it. Selfie and touching the point. Oh yeah, that's skill, that's skill. They're dressed like French vampires. I think Paris ran out of water because almost every fountain we've been to hasn't been on. So we're leaving the Louvre right now and we're trying to find a cab. We are going back to, ooh, look at that, you can see the Eiffel Tower.
Right here. Where?
Right there. Look, you can see the Eiffel Tower. So we're going back to the hotel quick, dropping Graham off, and we're gonna go walk around a little bit, and then go back to the hotel, and then go get dinner. Look how Grandma's sitting in the cab right now. She looks like she's dead.
I feel like I'm dead.
This is the overhang of the department store in Paris. I'm not quite sure what it's called. We'll see in a minute. But look how pretty it is, all these flowers and lights. I think it's called Printemps.
Yeah, there it is. In front of it. Look, this one. Right? Oh, another one.
Look how pretty that department store looks from the outside. Oh wow, and you can go up there apparently and get a nice view of the city. And they had their little mascot over here. Zooms in so slow. Right over there, and you can take a picture with it. Look at all of these mopeds. You don't see that in New York. Vespas, mopeds, same thing. This is the how do you say that? This is the Magdalene Church. So pretty. And it has all these pretty flowers in front. I think that we might go in. We'll see. Just kidding. We are going in. We are going in another church. This makes it church 47 out of this whole entire Europe trip, and about church 16 out of just Paris. Let's go in. So we're in the middle of the city right now, kind of, and it's cool because at all four corners you can see that's the Madeleine Church. That is this. It was a gift from Egypt. We forget what it's called. Over here, where that loop-de-loop thing's going, there's like a little carnival over there, and the Louvre. And then over here is the Parliament. And then over here is Arc de Triomphe, and you can see the Eiffel Tower too. So this is a cool spot to kind of see everything at a distance. What's your favorite thing that you saw in this spot? What's your favorite thing that you saw in this spot?
Arc de Triomphe.
My favorite thing is, I don't know, between there two.
And the Arc de Triomphe.
Yeah, between the same Arc de Triomphe and the Eiffel Tower is cool. Very pretty over here. The pretty. Guys, we actually found a fountain that is working and has water in it. But can't get too happy because there's construction right next to it. Look at that car, it's a fish. Planet's fish. Sushi. Oh, it's sushi! Hold on. It's a ladybug standing on an elephant standing on a flamingo.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. That was our last day in Paris. We had so much fun there, such a beautiful city. I wish we had more time, but maybe, fingers crossed, we'll be back in the future. But next vlog, we are back in London, so make sure you guys subscribe and look for that. Make sure you hit the Arc de Triomphe if you missed our last vlog, hit the Big Ben for the next vlog, and hit the question mark for a mystery video. You never know what it is. Catch you guys later. Bye!